Okay, there are two ways to get to a live Collaborate session. The first way is just to click on Blackboard Collaborate from the left-hand menu, or in most cases, you'll be able to come down here to the Collaborate Session Recordings module, or you'll probably find a module or a link in the week module that you're in. If we click on this, we'll take to this page, which will give you an explanation of kind of a refresher of how to do Collaborate and all the requirements for it. But basically, if you link here, this will take you to the Blackboard Collaborate page that you would have reached originally if you had just clicked on that. And you will see if there are any sessions currently operating, you can see a link here, which is this purple button. You can also go ahead and look ahead by clicking on upcoming sessions, and then you can see what's coming up. Let's go ahead and just click on the orientation. Notice that it wants to download a file to my computer, so go ahead and let it do that by clicking on Save, and then it'll appear usually in the lower left hand corner of your screen, which you can't see at the moment. Click on that to start it running, and let it run through its application. Make sure that you allow anything that it needs to allow. In some cases, if it's doing a pop-up, you'll see a pop-up blocker that might appear at the head of your browser, and then you'll have to click on that to make sure that you can let it through. And here we have your basic Blackboard interface. You'll be seeing primarily, of course, this whiteboard. Most often, though, what you'll see is a copy of Canvas, and I will run you through whatever I need you to see. This will show you participants, but you'll be mainly interacting with this chat window here. So you can see any comments that anybody else has made, and then you can make your own comments by typing in here. And then it'll appear in the chat window. You will listen to the whole recording and, of course, participate, make at least 5 significant contributions to the conversation. And then you will have fulfilled your obligation for that session. But of course, you'll want to stay for the end. Anyway, in order to listen to a previous recording, you'll want to click on the appropriate session under the Collaborate Session Recordings. If the session has already passed, the session time has already passed, then this link will take you directly to the Collaborate session. Once again, you'll want to download the appropriate file, allow that to run. And you can see here how a recording typically works. I'm having trouble with this. So as you can see here, you've got the conversation, the running conversation here at the left, so you can pay attention to what the students are doing. You'll be able to hear me talking, and I will flip through whatever screens you need to see through the Collaborate session. The important thing to listen for, of course, is the secret phrase. If there is no secret phrase, then you want to at least kind of jot down 3 specific things that you couldn't have gotten from, say, the source material, so that you can prove that you would actually listen to the recording. And then when you've done that, you can go ahead and exit out. And here you are at the same assignment page that you used to link to or get to the Collaborate session. And you can see here that you need to submit some evidence of listening to the recording for at least 10 days, within 10 days of the original recording. You can just submit the assignment here, type in the information in the text entry box. Most of the time it is just the secret phrase, and then hit submit, and you will get the 5 points for listening to the recording.